Roma Termini! I am in Rome! It is very hot, much hotter than London. I push my hair back, I breathe. The Rome sky is very blue, much more blue than London. And those trees, umbrella pine trees. Only Rome has this sky and these trees. Hello, Rome. The Rome streets have small black cobblestones. My suitcase makes so much noise on them. And look, laundry between the buildings. A cat on the doorstep. This is real Rome. My hotel has a small courtyard. A lemon tree is there. A small fountain too. I open the shutters and I smell the lemon. This is my first Rome breath. Very good. My first Italian espresso. It is very small, very strong. I drink it in 3 sips. In Italy, you stand at the bar. I finish my coffee in 1 minute. Perfect. A gelateria. I look at the colors. Pistachio green, strawberry pink, dark chocolate almost black. These colors are beautiful. I choose 3 scoops. I cannot choose only one. My first Rome gelato, pistachio stracchino. It is cold and Rome is very hot. This combination is perfect. I see the Colosseum. I stop walking. I cannot move. It is 2,000 years old. My eyes are not ready for this. It is very, very big. I touch the Colosseum stone. My hands touch stone from 2,000 years ago. It is warm from the sun. And look, a cat. A cat lives in the Colosseum. Perfect. Inside the Colosseum. I look up. The sky above is a perfect oval. The arches go up and up on all sides. I sit on the old stone. I open my sketchbook. I draw this view. I want to remember it perfectly. From the top of the Colosseum, I see all of Rome. The old forum ruins are there. Broken columns, old temples. Below me, the underground tunnels where gladiators wait. History everywhere I look. The Roman Forum. Ancient Rome is here. Broken columns and old arches. Wild flowers grow between the 2,000-year-old stones. I walk on the same road as ancient Romans. I cannot believe this. The Arch of Titus. 2,000 years old. Hey, look at the carved soldiers inside. This is from ancient history. I want to touch the stone. But I do not touch. I look. From the Palatine Hill, I see all the old Rome below. The ancient forum, the broken temples, and far away, a very big white marble building. Rome is so many colors of orange and gold. I draw all of this. A Rome water fountain! It runs all the time with cold water. I block the hole and drink. Cold water my face. The water comes from ancient Roman pipes. Roman suppli, fried rice ball. Inside hot mozzarella that stretches. I look at my drawings from today. Good first afternoon in Rome. I walk across a bridge over the river Tiber at sunset. The water is gold. The buildings ahead are orange. This is Trastevere, they say. Trastevere! Narrow streets, old orange buildings, string lights above. A small flazzo in the wall front I won't back in eyes. The lighting in Rome is insane. Cacio e pepe, per favore.
Perfetto, signora.
Cheese and pepper pasta. Good choice. Good bread and good oil. Simple, perfect. This is the most perfect dinner beginning. Cacio e pepe! Cheese and pepper pasta. Only 4 things. Pasta, cheese, pepper, and pasta water. Nothing else. I eat 1 forkful, I stop, I eat 1 more. This is the best pasta in my life. Rome wins. Piazza Santa Maria in Trastevere. The church has a golden roof of the 5th century. Still so golden. I sit on the old fountain and I draw the church. So many people here tonight. Rome is alive at night. A violinist plays in the street. I stop and I listen. The music's very beautiful. Rome, it is a gift. I put a small coin in the case. Thank you. Day 1 in Rome is finished. The Colosseum, the Forum, Trastevere, the cacio e pepe, so much in one day. I look at my drawings. I am very happy. I go to sleep. Tomorrow, the Vatican. I wake up very early, 6 in the morning. I walk to St. Peter's Square. It is empty. Only me and the pigeons. This enormous square. Only me. I stand in the middle and I turn slowly. I cannot believe this. The statues on top of St. Peter's Basilica, it feel very tall. Oh, I open my sketchbook. I draw 1 giant apostle from below. Very strange drawing. Inside the figure. I walk in and I stall. The dome above is 136 meters. I feel like an ant. A very small ant. Michelangelo's Pieta. White marble. From 1499, I stand and look. I do not take my sketchbook, take my phone. I only look. Some things you do not draw, you only feel. I turn a corner and the Pantheon is there. 8 enormous columns from ancient Rome. And they are still years old. Still 20 years. This is amazing. The Pantheon oculus. A circular hole in the top of the dome. Open to this. I stand below up. I send very stirpa to your chest, I hear the Trevi Fountain before I see it. The water sound is very loud. Then I turn the corner and it is enormous, holding a stone and water. And the bottom is full of coins. I find a coin. I close my eyes and I wish to come back to Rome. I throw the coin over my left shoulder into the Trevi Fountain. The legend says, I hope this is true. Please, Rome, let me come back to. So much color. Red tomatoes, purple artichokes, green herbs, and this, a blood orange. Inside it is dark red purple. Oh, not orange. I want to use this color in my design spo. My second Italian espresso. This time I know the rules. I stand at the bar, I drink in 3 sips, I look at the market. I am learning Rome very fast. I am almost a real Roman. Almost. The Spanish steps, 135 marble steps. I climb to the middle, I sit. I eat a suppli, I think at Rome below me. This is perfect. From the top of the Spanish steps, all of Rome. Orange rooftops and green pines and church domes in every direction. I open my sketchbook. I draw all of Rome, a very big drawing. My most ambitious Rome drawing. I find an antique shop. Old prints of Rome from the 1700s. It is from 1750. My Rome souvenir, not a magnet, a real drawing, 12 euros, perfect. Gelato round 2. This time, pistachio and hazelnut. The pistachio is real sicilianeste. Better gelato, a very good system. This is not a flat, says Andrew high above. I see. A porchetta sandwich from the Testaccio market. Roasted pig in a bread roll. The outside's very crunchy. Panic food. The Kriye runs Napoli words. These is at a restaurant. A Rome rooftop at sunset. An Aperol Spritz. Orange drink in an orange city under an orange sky. The Pantheon dome is near me. The Dome of Santis is far away. My last Rome drawing. For now. I look at Colosseum across the city. It is lit up now. I think I was. But I miss Gam. I make a list. The list is very long. I must come back to Rome. Last dinner in Rome. Carbonara, egg, guanciale, that is pig cheek, and pecorino cheese, no cream. The real Roman carbonara had grazie.
Perfect East of Rome.
Piazza Navona at night. The Bernice sit the Rastava Roa. I touch the fountain mist. I look at the fountain mist. I look at very, very beautiful. I walk home and I smell pizza, a late night pizza shop. I am already full, but I go in. Rome, roll with 4 ingredients with 4 ingredients. Last morning in Rome, I open the shutters. Same lemon tree, same fountain below. I know this smell. I leave in 2 hours to Florence. Goodbye, lemon tree. I check the room. Sketchbook with 40 Rome drawings. The Pantheon print in my suitcase. My passport, I am ready. I carry Rome with me. Not in my suitcase, in my sketchbook. Let's go. The red Frecciaro's train to Florence. I look at Rome one last time. I put a coin in the Trevi Fountain. The coin says I come back. I believe the coin. Goodbye, Rome. Hello, Florence. I watch Rome from the train window. The old walls, the umbrella pine trees, the ancient aqueducts. I write Rome and the date and all the things Rome gives me. The list is long, a good long list. Tuscany, rolling hills and tall dark cypress trees on every hilltop. Vineyards is the landscape scene paintings. Now it is real outside my train window. I draw it very fast. Florence is near. The Jewish ghetto of Rome, the oldest Jewish neighborhood in Europe. Hanging stained with cacio alla Giudia, a fried artichoke that looks like a golden flower. Beautiful and delicious. The baths of Caracalla. 1,600 people bathed here at one time. The walls are so tall. I am very, very small next to ancient Rome. Aperitivo hour in Rome. I order Negroni, red Italians, and then with the drink, free food on the counter. Bruschetta, I'll let you buy 1 drink and get free food. I love this system very much. Pontus and Tasis are natty, these are conduct and very of Jesus. I look at one angel says a very very peaceful. Dark purple outside, red pink inside. The fig is a design masterpiece. The flavor is very sweet and soft. Rome gives me beautiful colors in everything, even the fruit. A random Rome street doorway, but it is so beautiful. A carved face above here, a bullseye window, an old coat of arms. Rome puts beautiful design everywhere, even in the doors. Piazza del Popolo. 1 piazza and 3 roads going into the city, like a design drawing. A trying their city like designers. 3 roads, 1 perfect oval piazza. I am impressed, very impressed. From the Gianicolo Hill, I see all of Rome at sunset. The Colosseum is there, the Pantheon dome is there, Trastevere is below. St. Peter's Rome drawing, a Rome panorama. The Via Appia Antica. This road is 2,300 years old. Julius Caesar walked here. I put my hand on the same stone. I feel the history under my fingers.
They eat the soft part artichokes. Only eats the soft part of what it ate. And hates. I learned patience from a vegetable.
I go back to the Roman Forum at dawn. Same ancient columns. But now them hits them from the side. Hold up. The same columns, but a completely different building. Light changes everything. This is what I learn as a designer. A fresh pasta shop in Rome. So many shapes and colors. I buy tonarelli pasta. I take it to London. I try to make cacio e pepe at home. I probably fail. Rome will be disappointed in me.
In an old 1962. Relius nati, I Rome longs a souvenir.
I write a list of all the things I do not see in Rome. The list has 19 things. 19! Rome is too big for 1.5 days. But this list is good. This list is a reason to come back. A very good reason. Rome, 1.5 days, 40 drawings, the best pasta of my life, a coin in the Trevi Fountain, a list of 19 things in that said you Rome, but I go to Florence now. Part 2 is coming. Subscribe. See you in Florence.